There are terms and acronyms we as business people use every day, but don't know what they actually mean. This week we talk BAS, Business Activity Statement, and the terms around it. Hi, I'm Jeff Banks from MWL Financial Group, and this is the Banks Report.
The Banks Report, a commentary by noted property and business tax consultant Jeff Banks. Jeff is not your ordinary accountant and speaks in words and terms that you understand.
In my practice, I help people who are working hard and using property and self-employment to help them reach their financial goals. Today I have with me Justin from Gregori Films, a small businessman here to increase his knowledge of those terms he is simply expected to know. Perhaps he hears all the time and simply nods when asked about them, not wanting to seem illiterate to the terms of business. Welcome, Justin.
Hey Jeff, hi guys.
Okay then, let's focus on the BAS, or Business Activity Statement, where each month, quarter or year, those of us with an ABN, registered on the ABR, potentially registered for GST or employing staff, and paying tax are required to report the amounts collected or deducted from gross payments during the relevant period. Where would you like to start?
Okay, right from the start. I have an ABN number, but what's this about being registered for an ABR?
An ABN, or Australian Business Number, is a unique 11-digit number that identifies your business to the government and the community. All ABN holders, and you notice here I did not say ABN number, are registered on the ABR or Australian Business Register. To search an ABN, go to www.abr.business.gov.au and you can either input the ABN or the business name, and you should be able to check the details of anyone with whom you are doing business within Australia.
Okay, so each quarter I have to do my BAS statement, or Business Activity Statement. What exactly am I reporting and paying?
First and foremost, you're dealing with GST, or the Goods and Services Tax. You work out either on a cash basis, the money that goes in or out of your bank account, or an accruals basis, the invoices you produce or receive, the amount of GST that has gone through your control. Assuming you have made a profit, there should be a net amount to pay to the tax office. In some businesses where their sales are not subject to GST, but their inputs are, and here we are talking about exempted industries like education, medical and fresh foods.
Okay, but there are a lot of other boxes on the BAS. What's this PAYG? Is that like pay all you've got?
Not quite. And to add even more confusion, there are two types of PAYG, or pay as you go, that are recorded on a BAS. Firstly, there's PAYGW, and that is the tax that is deducted from any wages you may be paying your staff, whereas PAYGI is your personal tax instalment, in your case as a sole trader, but in the case of a company it can also be the instalment against the company tax bill. FBT, or fringe benefits tax, is the tax paid on those non-cash benefits we provide our employees. Typically, this has to do with the personal use of company vehicles, but can extend to many other benefits we allow them, and again, it's an instalment against a return which is lodged after 31 March each year for employers providing benefits.
So what's this wet tax? Am I taking a shower or simply a bath like the other taxes I have to pay?
Wet, or wine equalisation tax, is one for the wholesale wine merchants and is typically based on the last wholesale sale, much like the old sales tax. Sorry Justin, that was before your time. The only other one of note on a BAS is the diesel fuel rebate, which for some businesses gives them a rebate for the fuel tax, excise or customs duty that's included in the price of certain fuels.
All we talked about today was BAS. I honestly didn't realise there was so much to it.
And you are not in the minority. Many business and property owners simply do not realise what they are expected to know. In taxation, ignorance is no defence, but assistance is always at hand. Like you, many use the services of an MWL Financial Group. And whilst you deal with me directly, anyone can access us by dropping us an email at compliance@mwl.com.au, and one of our experts will be more than happy to discuss their needs. Add to that, we have on our website the MWL Book of Terms and Acronyms, which, co-written by me, talks about lots of the terms we are simply expected to know. You can find it in the blog section of our website.
The Banks Report is created by Jeff Banks of MWL Financial Group, a specialist financial services firm offering strategic advice and services you need in property and business, including accounting, taxation, finance, financial planning, risk insurance, superannuation, and business advisory.